So I will show you a quick method to use FileMaker in FM BetterForms in a different way. So basically, we will be loading FM BetterForm directly into FileMaker and running some FileMaker script from FM BetterForm inside a web viewer. So the way we'll start is open any app that you have on FM BetterForm. For me, I have a test app that is ready to roll. We will go to FileMaker and also create a blank database to do the tests. I'll keep it simple, doesn't matter what it is. And we're going to start by adding a web viewer to FileMaker. Over here, leave it like this for now. I'm going to make sure that it's stretched to the whole page. I'm going to remove the top navigation, save our page. Here we have a web viewer, which is fine. Then we're going to go to our own landing, which is where I will show you district. And we're going to go into preview mode. We'll gather the URL that we have over here, and we're going to load it in FM BetterForm. We can do this. We're going to click Allow JavaScript to perform FileMaker script because this is what we're going to be using. And then we're just going to start loading the app in there for now. So what we have on the banner at the bottom, there's a click here to run a script in FileMaker. If I am in my web browser, my goal is to display an alert. And if I am in FileMaker, my goal will be to display a script that we're going to be creating. For now, it display a browser alert. So we're going to explore how to do that. So going to your page settings, you can create an on-form load function to detect if we're running this from FileMaker or not. And the way that we're going to be doing this is by adding a parameter to the URL. So I created a simple action function to look for a parameter. So here, well, let's say we have the ID of our app. What we're going to be doing is adding is FileMaker to true to the web address over here. So we're going to be doing something like this. So is FileMaker true? And then we're going to click OK. And this is going to tell our FM BetterForm app that we're running FileMaker instead. And I'll go into the function now that we use. So we're going to go back to our page, home landing, sorry. Now we're going to go into script. And here what I've done is I've added a function that is going to check for that page's FileMaker value. And if that page's FileMaker value is true, we're going to run FileMaker perform script with option. So I'm just going to show that here. FileMaker documentation. So this part is simply to run a FileMaker script, set a parameter, and run it in FileMaker. So that's what we configured over here. So I have a script that we're going to need to create over here because this is a blank database. We're going to call it show custom dialog. And basically, it's going to pass a message, and this is a state. You can see more information in the FileMaker documentation for that. So we're just going to create that blank script. We're going to do script parameter. Then we're going to do a show custom dialog. And we're going to do attention. Let's say like this, and then an exit script, or whatever you want it to be. And basically, this script is going to get ran and display this message for us. So that's our goal. So when we're going to click on FileMaker, we're going to get our custom dialog over here with the parameter that we have. The way that it works then is on the page itself, since this function is checking FileMaker, so when the page loads, you're checking if it's in FileMaker, and then this function is being called on the page itself. So for the block over here with the button, it's pretty simple. All we're doing is we're calling the function one from the button, and the button is automatically detecting whatever we want. So from there, what you can do is you could actually create FileMaker components directly from FM BetterForm, load them into your FileMaker, and have the button triggers any functions that you want automatically. So you could print, you could do anything you want, any way you want, just by modifying the script like this, and using it for anything you want. So that's it.